Please do like and subscribe. Kung hindi ka pa nakasubscribe, please hit the notification bell. Or mag-comment ka naman dyan sa baba. Kahit tuldok lang, happy na ako dyan. Heart, heart, heart. Kasi malaking tulong yun sa akin. Nagpapakita ng suporta, pagmamahal. Tsaka nagaganahan akong mag-reading guys pag marami ang nagko-comment. Ayan, kasi diyan ako nakikita ko nagno-notify sa akin yung mga comments ninyo. And hindi man ako pala reply, but nakikita ko yung notifications. Napapa-smile niyo ako dyan. So, sana mag-heart po kayo sa video. Let's start. Water sign. Start na natin. The sun. And you do have here the Knight of Wands. Wow. Okay. Nine of Cups, the Knight of, wow, I really do like these two knights showing up here sa iyong reading, ha? Dalawang knights yan, and it's not just a knight, it's a fast knight kind of thing. Mabilis ang actions, and kukuha tayo ng card dito. What do we have here for water sign, please? Medyo mabigat yung energy na nakukuha ko. I don't know if you're sick, stress, sick, pagod, or maybe in your area, malapit sa, sa inyong home, sa inyong house, maybe there, you are sick, or someone is sick, or a lot of people in your place ay parang may sakit. Nakaramdam tayo ng ganun. Okay lang kahit hindi. You do have your romantic feelings, clarify this. Release your ex, and you do have here to let your friends help you. Ayan. Water sign. So, I can see with the sun, you are being positive. You are gaining a lot of clarity. Diba? Nagiging positibo ka ngayon sa buhay. Maybe with the Knight of Wands, there's something here na you want to release, you want to get out of, you want to, umalis dito sa situation na to because you're no longer happy and you are happy with something na parang gusto mong puntahan or you want to, maybe you want with the Five of Swords, you want to make changes sa buhay mo ngayon. Kasi parang ang gulo, hindi na masyadong maayos. And Seven of Cups, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, this is showing us your dreams. Like, malinaw na sa'yo ngayon kung ano yung gusto mo, kung ano yung dreams mo, kung ano yung bagay na wala sa'yo ngayon na parang gusto mong i-manifest sa buhay mo. And release your ex, maybe something to do with the past, something to do with an ex, past person, past people in your life na parang gusto mong alisan or alisin sa buhay mo because nagkakaroon ka ng clarity what you want in life. Romantic feelings, this is you being like pwedeng nagkakaroon ka ng you being true to yourself, what you feel dito sa past na ito, kung bakit gusto mong iwanan or alisan. But I can see you being happy. Here, Nine of Cups, this could be the other option. This could be the other option. So you could be dealing with not only just one person, but maybe two or more. So ito yung option na nakikita natin, isa. With the Knight of Swords, I can see fast-moving action, papapunta sa'yo dito itong person na ito. Six of Wands, this is like a person na hindi siya titigil hanggat hindi ako nagkakaroon ng victory sa'yo. I love you. Gusto kita. And I feel like this person is willing to release also the people or the things sa buhay niya ngayon na hindi nagbibigay ng happiness and growth, expansion sa kanya. This person wants more from you. And you do have your let your friends help you. So maybe maybe you are friends or maybe may involvement of friends dito sa connection ninyo. So nakikita natin na ina-accept yung support na yon, yung emotions na yon from a friend or like I can see a fast moving action sa inyo dalawa ng person na ito. So kung naman yung mga kailangan ninyong i-clear sa mga kanya-kanya ninyong buhay. Parang ito yung time na ginagawa niyo yung mga pag-clear na yon. And para mas maging open yung connection ninyo. Okay, so anyway, let's move on. What do we have here for the sign of water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces? What do we have here for the sign of water sign? Okay, thank you, Spirit Guides, Angel Guides, for the sign of water sign. This is with regards to your near future. Plug is here. Escapade. Insatiable. And settlement. Okay. Near future para sa mga water signs natin. Bottom of the deck is recalling. Pretending. Legal. Unconditional. And you do have your history. Okay. Heart-to-heart conversation. And love yourself first. Actually, this is like a communication sa inyo in the near future nitong person na to. You have to stay connected. And in the future, nakikita natin yung connection nag-grow, nandun pa rin. Escapade is here, maybe there's something here that you need to show. Escapade is you being honest with yourself. Ano ba talaga yung gusto mo? And some of you, pwedeng there's a possibility of you being cold kasi this is like an ice here. So, ano ba yung yung something sa sarili mo na pwedeng hindi mo may open, but maybe you need to open up these things, like yung talents mo, skills mo, or maybe yung sarili mo with regards to your person. In the future, you need to, kailangan talaga mag-compromise. Compromise is needed dito sa connection with this person. So, in order for this compromise or itong connection na ito na mag-work out, kailangan pag-usapan. And unconditional love is here. But you do have your pretending and legal, whatever this kind of thing na kailangan harapin regarding legal matter. You do have here like it's this time na pwedeng nangyari na yung mga nangyari eh. Hindi mo na mababago yon, pero pwede pang ayusin or pwedeng baguhin. Like hindi mo na mababalikan yung nakaraan na to make changes with regards to the past, but pwede naman nating i-push yung future sa mas better na future para sa inyong dalawa. Like this is love and happiness here with the recalling. Okay, maybe in the past you are happy, there's support with each other, you're supporting each other. Pwedeng magtuloy-tuloy yun in the future, but all you have to do is to make this conversation na kailangan yung gawain kasi pareho ninyong pagtutulungan kung paano aalisan yung mga bagay na dapat ninyong alisan. Like maybe there's thing na kailangan mong i-let go, and because you no longer think na this will work out anymore, itong connection or this present moment sa buhay mo is no longer working. And all you have to do is to let go of the things na maybe in the present moment ay masyado nang nakatali sa something. And yeah, with the sun here, you're gaining clarity, you're gaining happiness, you're being more positive in life. Yung iba nagkaroon ng bagong paniniwala, bagong talents. And during this time, especially meron tayong Uranus retrograde. So maybe yung iba sa inyo nagkakaroon ng clarity kung ano yung bagay na dapat mong baguhin sa buhay mo, talents na dapat mo ipakita, or dapat mong baguhin sa sarili mo. Love yourself. Love yourself is the main message for you. Your self-respect makes you more romantically attractive. So I can see you have this energy na in your life, hindi ka naman pabata, pa-matured ka. And I can see that maybe in the past, pinabayaan mo yung sarili mo, masyado mo sinisi yung sarili mo. This time, you need to love yourself. You need to acknowledge all the things, all the talents that you have, and you have to make some kind of changes para mas mag-shine ka doon sa bagay na yun na may kinalaman sa kung ano ka talaga. Okay, and maybe this person can help you. Thank you for watching. I love you all, and bye-bye.